very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Forged by Fire, Guided by Grace. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age overwhelmed by noise, velocity, and uncertainty, humanity stands torn between outer progress and inner emptiness, between material mastery and spiritual amnesia. Yet, across ancient wisdom traditions lies a quietly enduring truth. Transformation begins not outside but within. Among the most profound archetypes is Lord Shiva, silent, fierce, and infinitely compassionate. In him resides three radiant virtues: wisdom, courage, and compassion, each a living force, each a guide for the modern soul. These are not lofty abstractions, but practical inner powers, forged in the fire of discernment and guided by the grace of cosmic harmony. Let's examine them in detail. Wisdom, the silence that sees, seated in unbroken meditation amid the pulse of existence, Shiva reflects a wisdom untouched by distraction. His stillness is not retreat, it is pure perception. In a world saturated with information but barren of insight, wisdom becomes the lens that reveals the eternal beneath the temporary. Like Shiva's third eye, it perceives what lies beyond appearances, cutting through illusion, not to destroy, but to free. True wisdom distills complexity into clarity and gives thought the rhythm of truth. Let's also look at courage, the fire that purifies. When Shiva consumed the deadly Halahala poison to protect creation, it was not an act of resistance but transcendence. Courage here is not about vanquishing an enemy but rising above fear, ego, and hesitation. In the face of injustice, sorrow, or inner doubt, courage is the quiet, steadfast strength that refuses to bend. It acts without anger, endures without resentment, and stands tall even when unseen. This is the fire that purifies, not by destruction, but by inner transformation. Third, let's look at compassion, the grace that heals. Despite his austere form, Shiva is the source of boundless compassion. He offers refuge to the discarded, solace to the tormented, and upliftment to those lost in darkness. Compassion in its truest sense is not sentiment. It is sacred responsibility. It recognizes the self in the other and softens all boundaries. In a fractured world, compassion becomes the bridge between intellect and empathy, strength and softness, divinity and humanity. It is grace in action. What's the way forward? When these three virtues converge, wisdom in thought, courage in action, and compassion in intention, life becomes aligned with a higher law. This is not escapism, but enlightened engagement. Much like Shiva, who bears the weight of time without collapse, the individual who embodies these virtues becomes a still point in a turning world. Challenges remain, but one no longer reacts, they respond. Decisions become grounded, presence becomes healing, and purpose becomes luminous. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna reveals the same eternal path when he declares, perform your duty with equanimity, abandon attachment to outcome. This is the essence of yoga. What Shiva embodies in stillness, Krishna articulates in motion. The triad of wisdom, courage, and compassion is the sacred thread that connects being and doing, inner stillness and outer action. In today's divided world, this integration is not merely desirable, it is essential. To live by these virtues is to be unshaken by storm, lit from within and led by something eternal. That is grace, and it is available to every soul now. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.